Kolliphor P188 Bio is a state-of-the-art shear protectant for cell culture manufacturing processes. It reduces shear stress during biologics manufacturing, thus ensuring high cell viability and consistent biologic drug yields. This in turn helps to lower the risks associated with large-scale manufacturing. The standard cell culture manufacturing process involves a large bioreactor containing the culture media and the precious cells that will produce the biologic drug. The impeller in the bioreactor spins, lifting the cells in order to keep them in suspension and in contact with nutrients and oxygen dissolved in the culture media. The oxygen bubbles from the sparger rise upwards, where they form a foam layer at the air-media interface. As the oxygen bubbles rise up, the cells can be carried up into the foam layer with them and become trapped near the interface. However, cells trapped in this foam layer are damaged and sometimes killed when the bubbles burst and let out energy. The cell death count is high. Cell viability is low. But with Kolliphor P188 Bio, it's an entirely different story. Kolliphor P188 Bio is used with the cell culture media, the same bioreactor, the same precious cells, the same impeller, the same sparging process, and the same media, but with the addition of P188 Bio. This now interacts with the cell surface and interacts with the bubbles too, allowing the cells to slide away from the bubbles during their ascent to the top. The cells are therefore not trapped in the foam layer and are not killed when the respective bubbles burst. As a result of Kolliphor P188 Bio, cell viability is high and cell counts increase exponentially as expected. Kolliphor P188 Bio, because every cell counts. BASF, we create chemistry.